refrigerant has been changing from year to year and from decade to decade. It's depending upon the GWP. What is GWP? Global warming potential. So what it denotes. So these parameters we are going to see in this video. So generally refrigerant, if it is coming to our mind, we generally say as R22, R32 like that. So what is this R22 and R32? R22, R is a refrigerant, and 22, 32, the number which is situated as a suffix is given by the ASHRAE. So this is very important terms in each and every refrigerant fluid whatever we are using in day-to-day applications. So generally R12, R22 having more GWP. GWP is a global warming potential. It has the ability to make a global warming and increase the temperature of the earth we are in right now. So this also makes an ozone layer depletion. So this should not be used. So this kind of HFC, hydrofluorocarbon, should not be used in this kind of day-to-day applications. So rather than that, we are converted and we are changed from R22 and R12 and the old refrigerant fluids such as R-410A and then R-410A. So this kind of refrigerant has been changed from that refrigerant fluid to the next one. The next one is that R32. R32 is a newly advanced refrigerant fluid. It's not new. They have included this in more than double digit of years. So they have discovered that we are going to implement this kind of refrigerant fluid in future also. So now they are using R32 and then R717 and R744. So these kind of things is denoted and given name by the ASHRAE. So if you see the R744, it's a name for ammonia. So for each and every refrigerant fluid, it has a different kind of chemical properties. So in this video we have learned about the conversion of refrigerant fluid from the tradition to the modern, and in future also they may change the refrigerant fluid. So whatever the global warming potential which is given by the present refrigerant fluid has to be optimized. So it will be optimized with the help of the suitable refrigerant fluid in future that we are going to discover. So I hope this video is useful for you. For more information, subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.